Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me video, and today we are going to be deep cleaning my kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and seal my granite countertops and spray down all my cabinets and wipe down a bunch of areas. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, just keep on watching. Alright, so fortunately this day my kitchen wasn't too much of a mess, so I'm just clearing the countertops a little bit. And the spray that I'm going to be using is by Brandless, and it's actually the glass cleaner. They do have a granite countertop cleaner, but I'm out of that, so I'm just going to finish up using this. And then to seal my countertops, I'm using this granite and stone sealer by Wyman. Alright, so let's get started. And I can always tell when my granite countertops need sealed just because I'll get water stains right here by the faucet, and so that's one of the biggest indicators that it's time for me to reseal. Okay, now moving on to cabinets. I like to clean my cabinets with Pine Sol, so I just take a squirt bottle and fill it halfway with Pine Sol and the other half with water, and then just give the cabinets a wipe down, and this also disinfects as well. Here I'm just going in to clean the trash area, and I happened to notice a popsicle stick that was stuck on there from one of my kids. I just thought that was funny.
Faded in this a smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free.
Now I'm gonna quickly just empty out the sink and load up the dishwasher. That way later on I can give this sink a good scrub.
You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire.
And now it's time to seal my countertops. So I'm just gonna go through and spray this all over the countertops. This tells you to let stand for about 5 minutes before going in and wiping it away. And then you can also do it a second time, which I do end up doing.
I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my
I'm not too sure how I feel about this product. I mean, it works pretty good, but in this area, for some reason, it kept leaving like some kind of residue and film, but you'll see that a little bit later on. from the countertop over here to my table. So now I'm just gonna give everything a wipe down. I'm gonna rearrange some things in my kitchen and repurpose it. So you'll see that here shortly when I put everything back in place. I just wanted to share this little sugar cookie with you. How cute is this? One of our patients had these made for us nurses, and I just thought it was the cutest thing, so I wanted to share. Moving on to floors, this is the only thing I use on my luxury vinyl plank. This is the Zepp multi-surface floor cleaner, so it's safe for that. I went ahead and already swept the floor, but I did not film it, so now I'm just going through and cleaning it. Alright friends, so that wraps up today's clean with me, a deep cleaning of my kitchen. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. Here I'm just showing you around at all the areas that I cleaned and how nice it looks. I added this cute little bowl for my soaps and the little plate that used to hold my soaps before I put over here for my salt and pepper shaker. You'll notice my granite countertops, how shiny they are and smooth. So yeah, it always feels good to have a nice, fresh, clean kitchen. I hope this brought you guys motivation today, and hopefully it inspires you to get up and clean something in your house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends.